Sadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. We're going to continue reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 10, chapter. We're going to begin chapter 13 today. So, chapter 12, Parikshit Maharaj raises the question that why this pastime was spoken about by the Brajbasis 1 year after that it actually happened. And that mystery is now in this chapter 13. The stealing of the boys and calves by Brahma. I'll just read the summary first by Srila Prabhupada. This chapter describes Lord Brahma's attempt to take away the calves and cowherd boys, and it also describes the bewilderment of Lord Brahma, and finally the clearance of his illusion. Although the incident concerning Aghasur had been performed 1 year before, when the cowherd boys were 5 years old, when they were 6 years old, they said it happened today. What happened was this. After killing Aghasur, Krishna, along with his associates, the cowherd boys, went for a picnic within the forest. The calves, being allured by green grasses, gradually went far away, and therefore Krishna's associates became a little agitated and wanted to bring back the calves. Krishna, however, encouraged the boys by saying, "You take your tiffin without being agitated. I shall go find the calves." And thus the Lord departed. Then, just to examine the potency of Krishna, Lord Brahma took away all the calves and cowherd boys and kept them in a secluded place. When Krishna was unable to find the calves and boys, he could understand that this was a trick performed by Brahma. Then the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the cause of all causes, in order to please Lord Brahma, as well as his own associates and their mothers, expanded himself to become the calves and boys exactly as they were before. In this way, he discovered another pastime. A special feature of this pastime was that the mothers of the cowherd boys thus became more attached to their respective sons, and the cows became more attached to their calves. After nearly a year, Baladev observed that all the cowherd boys and calves were expansions of Krishna. Thus he inquired from Krishna and was informed of what had happened. When 1 full year had passed, Brahma returned and saw that Krishna was still engaged as usual with his friends and the calves and cows. Then Krishna exhibited all the calves and cowherd boys as four-armed forms of Narayan. Brahma could then understand Krishna's potency, and he was astonished by the pastimes of Krishna, his worshipable Lord. Krishna, however, bestowed its causeless mercy upon Brahma and released him from illusion. Thus, Brahma began to offer prayers to glorify the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So, we'll read the text wise. Who's going to read the text today? If it's
Uh,
Auntie, huh?
I can read today.
Oh, you can read. Okay, then
Yeah,
I
today
don't
I
need to
can
put
read
the
for
Hindi
you.
here.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, no
okay.
need.
Okay, Shri Shukavacha
Sri Shukha Uvacha
Sadhu Prishtam Mahabhaga
Sadhu Prishtam Mahabhaga
Tvaya Bhagavatottama
Tvaya Bhagavata Uttama
Yanutan Yaishyasya
Yatnutanaya Ishasya
Shinvan Api Kathamuhu.
Shrinvan Api Kathamuhu.
Translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Sukadev Goswami said, O best of devotees, most fortunate Parikshit, you have inquired very nicely. For although constantly hearing the pastimes of the Lord, you are perceiving his activities to be newer and newer. So Sukadev Goswami, we heard Sutta Goswami saying that Sukadev Goswami went into internal pastimes. Then with great difficulty he came to external consciousness. Because Parikshit Maharaj is asking him more and more now. He wants to hear more and more pastimes of Krishna. Unless one is very advanced in Krishna consciousness, one cannot stick to hearing the pastimes of the Lord constantly. Nityam navayamanam. Even though advanced devotees hear continually about the Lord for years, they still feel that these topics are coming to them as newer and fresher. Therefore, such devotees cannot give up the hearing of the pastimes of Lord Krishna. So the pure devotees, they already have love for Krishna. The more they hear the pastimes of Krishna, the more they want to hear. We love somebody, maybe our child or maybe spouse, or, then we want to hear more and more about them. It must be the same thing. We may also repeat the same thing. Oh, he or she did this. And then we like others also to keep talking about that. So devotees love Krishna. So they like to continually hear about Krishna's glories. Premanjana Churita Bhakti Velochanena Santa Sadaiva Hridayeshu Velokayanti. The word Santa is used to refer to persons who have developed love for Krishna. So Santa are the ones who love Krishna. Yam Shama Sundaram Achintya Gunaswarupam Govindam Adi Purusham Tam Aham Bhajami. Brahma Samhita 538. Parikshit Maharaj therefore is addressed as Bhagavatottama, the best of devotees. Because unless one is very much elevated in devotional service, one cannot feel ecstasy from hearing more and more and appreciate the topics as ever fresher and newer. So Parikshit Maharaj, he wants to hear more and more pastimes of Krishna. And he's experiencing them as newer and newer. He's appreciating more and more the pastimes. Sukadev Goswami is saying that although you are constantly hearing, you're perceiving his activities to be newer and newer. You're very fortunate. So one is very fortunate if we can get this kind of eagerness to hear about Krishna. It's a sign of great fortune. This eagerness to hear about Krishna comes from serving the devotee. Serving the devotee. Bhagavatam says that how we can get this hearing by serving the devotee. Satam ayam sarabhritam nisargo
सताम् अयं सारभृतां निसर्गो
yad arthavani shruti chetasam api
यद् अर्थवाणी श्रुतिचेतसामपि
pratishanam navayavad achyutasya yad
प्रतीक्षणं न व्यवत् अच्युतस्य यत्
striya vetanam iva sadhu varta.
स्त्रिया विटानाम् इव साधुवार्ता.
Paramhamsa's devotees who have accepted the essence of life are attached to Krishna in the core of their hearts, and he is the aim of their lives. It is their nature to talk only of Krishna at every moment, as if such topics were newer and newer. They are attached to such topics, just as materialists are attached to topics of women and sex. So, depends where is one's attachment. Where is one's attachment? The word Sarabhritam means Paramhamsas. The Hamsa or swan accepts milk from a mixture of milk and water and rejects the water. So, Paramhams, Why the saint, what is the meaning of a humps? What does a swan do?
Him drinks the milk, like from a water. If it is mixed, then he rejects the water and drinks the milk.
Yeah, if like there is a mixture, water and milk mixed up, then he from this mixture he drinks only the milk, not the water. So Paramhamsas are like that. The nature of persons who have taken to spiritual life and Krishna consciousness, understanding Krishna to be the life and soul of everyone, is that they cannot give up Krishna Katha or topics about Krishna at any moment. They're the Paramhamsa, constantly hearing and chanting about Krishna. Such Paramhamsas always see Krishna within the core of the heart. Santa Sadaiva Hridayeshu Vilokayanti. Kama, desires, krodh, anger, and bhaya, fear are always present in the material world. But in the spiritual or transcendental world, one can use them for Krishna. Kam, krodh, and bhaya. We have this, right? Kam, krodh, and bhaya. We all become victims of this. But they can be used for Krishna. Kamam Krishna Karmarpane. The desire of the Paramhamsas, therefore, is to act always for Krishna. So, one may have desire to enjoy the material world. But the pure devotee, the Paramhamsa, his desire is to constantly hear and chant about Krishna, serve Krishna. So we can see how desire can be changed for service of Krishna. Krodham bhakta dveshi jane. They use anger against the non-devotees and transform bhaya of fear into fear of being deviated from Krishna consciousness. So, first desire, attachment to Krishna, hearing and chanting about Krishna, serving Krishna, anger, anger against the atheists, yeah? Anger against non-devotees here, Prabhupada is saying. The Paramhamsas, they do that. And then fear. What is their fear? The
Their,
fear is, hmm?
their fear is that they use the fear also, right? That they
Yeah,
don't
so what are they fearful
Yeah,
about?
deviated from Krishna consciousness.
Yeah, that's right. They are fearful that they will forget Krishna.
Mm.
So everyone has desires, anger, and fear. So it depends on how we use it. What are we fearful of, you know? Fear, we may have fear of different things. Earthquake coming causes fear. Paramahansa is fearful, I will forget Krishna.
Is it like being God fearing? That's why.
No, no,
No.
not God fearing. No, this is what it, the devotee, he never wants to forget Krishna. He is never going to forget Krishna, but he's still always praying, Krishna, I don't want to ever forget you. Don't let me ever forget you.
मैं आपको कभी ना भूलूं, कभी ना भूलूं, right? Like that, Krishna.
Yeah, and he's actually not forgetting. Not only is he praying like that, but he's actually not forgetting Krishna. He's already so always thinking of Krishna कि इतना कृष्णा का प्रेम हो गया है अभी कृष्णा को वो भूल ही नहीं सकते हैं. Yeah. So they're always remembering Krishna. So that's why they are fearful of being deviated from Krishna consciousness. क्योंकि एक होता है कि मैं आपको कभी ना भूलूं, वो हमारी इच्छा है, बहुत अच्छी इच्छा है, पर एक है जो कृष्णा को कभी भूलते ही नहीं है. So in this way, the life of a Paramhamsa devotee is used entirely for Krishna, just as the life of a person attached to the material world is used simply for women and money. तो हमारी attachment किधर है? Who are we attached to? What are we attached to? What is our center? परमहंसा का सेंटर है कृष्णा. पूरी आसक्ति है कृष्णा में. What is day for the materialistic person is night for the spiritualist. What is very sweet for the materialistic, namely women and money, is regarded as poison by the spiritualist. So different types of engagement, different types of enjoyment. Paramhamsa, he's living in this material world, but he's not of the material world. He's not wanting to enjoy the material world. Sandarshanam vishayinam athayoshitam cha ha hanta hanta vishabhaksha nato api sadhu. This is the instruction of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. For the Paramhamsa, Krishna is everything. But for the materialist, women and money are everything. So Paramhamsa, he has love for Krishna. So he never forgets Krishna. He wants to hear more and more about Krishna. He wants to be with Krishna. He's attached to Krishna. So the Paramhamsa is. And we can see, we can gradually change our desire. हम भी हमारी जो इतनी आसक्ति है मटेरियल वर्ल्ड की तरफ, उसको हम ग्रेजुअली चेंज कर सकते हैं और कृष्णा में बढ़ा सकते हैं आसक्ति. ग्रेजुअली जितना हियरिंग चैंटिंग करेंगे, हियरिंग चैंटिंग में आसक्ति बढ़ती जाएगी, तो अपने आप भौतिक जगत से आसक्ति घटती जाएगी. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. शृणुष्वा वहितो राजन्
Shrunushva avahito rajan
अपि गोयं वदामि ते
api goyam vadamite
ब्रूयुस्निग्धस्य शिष्यस्य
bruyuhu snigdasya shishyasya
गुरवो गोयम् अपि उत.
guruvam goyam api utta.
O king, kindly hear me with great attention. Although the activities of the Supreme Lord are very confidential, no ordinary man being able to understand them, I shall speak about them to you. For spiritual masters explain to a submissive disciple even subject matters that are very confidential and difficult to understand. So Sukadev Goswami is saying, hear me with great attention. Parikshit Maharaj has asked. So now Sukadev Goswami is saying, attentively hear me. That ordinary people को भगवान की लीलाएं का समझ ही नहीं, उनको समझ में ही नहीं आएगा कि because they are so confidential. You know, if outwardly we hear the leelas, we may say, oh, we don't know what's happening. But if a devotee explains to us, then we are able to understand Krishna's leela. That's why the Krishna's pastimes always should be heard from the devotees. Here we are hearing Bhagavatam from Sukadev Goswami. So very difficult subject matters are becoming easy for us to understand. Very confidential subject matters are becoming easy for us to understand because we are hearing from Sukadev Goswami himself. Srila Prabhupada, he's translated whatever Sukadev Goswami has spoken. So, spiritual master, it's his duty to explain to a submissive disciple if the disciple puts the inquiry submissively, even though the topics may be difficult to understand or very confidential. Tathagavadan nanmrityo
तथा अगवदनात् मृत्यो
rakshitva vatsapalakan
रक्षित्वा वत्सपालकान्
saritpulinam aniya
तरीत्पुलिनम् आनीय
Bhagavan idam abravit.
भगवान् इदम् अब्रवीत्.
Then after saving the boys and calves from the mouth of Aghasur, who was death personified, Lord Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, brought them all to the bank of the river and spoke the following words. So Krishna saved his friends and the calves. Krishna is death personified. Time I am, Krishna says. I've come to take away all. He says in Bhagavad Gita, death is personification. Krishna is death personified. That's why Kunti Devi is saying everyone is fearful of death. And here you are afraid of Mother Yashoda. That is your Leela. Okay. Aho tiram yampulinam vayasayaha
अहो अतिरम्यं पुलिनं व्ययसया
swakeli sampan mridula chabalukam
स्वकेलिसम्पत् मृदुलच्छ बालुकम्
svutat sarogandahritalipatrika
स्फुटत् सरोगन्धरितलिपत्रिका
Dvani pratitvanalasadrumakulam.
ध्वनि प्रतिध्वानलसद्रुमालुकम्.
My dear friends, just see how this river bank is extremely beautiful because of its pleasing atmosphere. And just see how the blooming lotuses are attracting bees and birds by their aroma. The humming and chirping of the bees and birds is echoing throughout the beautiful trees in the forest. Also here, the sands are clean and soft. Therefore, this must be considered the best place for our sporting and pastimes. The description of Vrindavan forest as given herewith was spoken by Krishna 5,000 years ago, and the same condition prevailed during the time of the Vaishnavacharyas 300 or 400 years ago. Kujat kokila hamsa sarasa gana kirne mayura kule. Vrindavan forest is always filled with the chirping and cooing of birds like cuckoos, kokila, ducks, hamsa, and cranes, sarasa. And it is also full of peacocks, mayurakule. The same sounds and atmosphere still prevail in the area where our Krishna Balaram temple is situated. Everyone who visits this temple is pleased to hear the chirping of the birds as described here. Kujat kokila hamsas sarasa. So Prabhupada is saying 5,000 years ago, Krishna is giving us this beautiful explanation of describing the beauty of Vrindavan and how it's so pleasing. All these birds are chirping and humming. And Prabhupada is saying until 300-400 years ago also it was like this when the 6 Goswamis were there in Vrindavan. And until recently, Krishna, the area where Krishna Balaram temple is, was also like that. Now it's a little different. Now it's a little, because the temple is there, so many people want to put their businesses around the temple. But yeah, I'm sure if one goes further into the forest area, then one can see all this beauty around. Do you all want
Shilpaji,
to? Mm,
just one question from the Paramhansa. So
mm.
what we were trying to say is that the Paramhansa use the Bhai, Krodh, and the third was Krodh, Bhai, and
Desire.
desire. Okay, desire. Kam,
Mm.
Krodh, and Bhai.
Calm,
So
growth.
Kam is the lust, right?
Yes.
So lust is the desire,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
that means that they use this three in the service,
That's right.
right? That's what they're
That's right.
trying to say. Kam is
Yes. That's
okay.
right.
So like the desire and the growth and the fear is that they don't want to be fearful, so they pray for that, right?
No. So
Sorry, they
desire.
don't want to
So
forget. That is their desire. Then how is the
the fear. So
Hmm,
desire is that
hmm,
they are always attached to Krishna,
yeah,
right? The lust.
yeah, yeah,
Uh, okay. And then anger towards non-devotees.
yeah.
And fear of not being deviated.
Okay. From Krishna consciousness.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're fearful of being deviated. So the fear, what are
Hmm,
we fear for? Fear, for
hmm,
example, what is our fear?
hmm.
We can analyze like this. We may
Like
have
Okay.
different
anything
fears.
from
So they
Huh?
are just people that, oh, please, I shouldn't forget Krishna. Please always help me remember Krishna, never forget Krishna. But that is like, that is their desire. But the fear is that oh my God, I shouldn't forget Krishna somehow.
The fear is
no,
that I may forget Krishna.
So please help me that I don't.
Yeah.
Is it? Okay.
Sneha was saying something.
yeah, no, that fear, like what the normal, like regular, it's like for material things, right? You're
Exactly.
fearful,
Yeah.
calamities or anything like that, right?
Yeah. That's
Yeah,
right. We are fearful. There's so many fears we have.
yes, yeah,
One fear will go, another will come.
come,
It
yeah.
could
But
be
how they
anything.
are actually, my question is, so then how they are using it in service of Krishna? Because we have always heard that fear, envy cannot be used, right? In the but the how they're using the fear, they're just by just feeling that they are using it.
Yeah, they are fear. Okay, so fear, everyone has fear, right?
Yeah.
So now,
Hmm.
what is your fear? Think about your fear. You don't even have to say it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I have fears. Yeah. So
So
then,
many different fears you may
yeah.
have. Okay.
Yeah.
But the
Yeah.
pure devotee's fear is, I may forget Krishna. He's not forgetting, but that is his fear that I may forget him.
No, I agree that that is his fear. But then
Yeah.
how is he using it in the service of Krishna?
Uh,
That we are
s-
not talking about that,
So,
right?
okay, so because
Hmm.
he's fearful that I may forget Krishna, he makes
Hmm.
sure to always serve Krishna.
Okay, perfect. That makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, that makes
Engagement
sense.
with
Yeah.
Krishna. Okay.
That's why he's a Paramhansa. Because then he's
Yes,
always remembering
always
Krishna.
serving Krishna, always
Always.
hearing and chanting. You'll never see him not hearing and chanting. He's always hearing and chanting.
That makes sense now. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not only a desire, but he's actually doing it.
Hmm.
That's the difference.
Okay. So that's how he's using the Kam, Krodh, and Bhaya.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
that's right.
Yeah.
Mm.
I don't think only he'll have this calm crowd, right?
Yeah, so that's what his
Right?
calm is actually
It's
love.
not
Yes, you said
breathing.
that. Yes, Premanjana Churita. So his calm, we have lust for the material world, but he has love for Krishna,
Yeah.
you know? So, and yeah, anger, well, his anger is just like everyone become a devotee, basically, you know? Revive your relationship with Krishna. That's what he tries to do.
Hmm.
And
Like if he sees a person as atheist and not at all, that makes him, right? Like,
that then, and if
and
such person is preaching to others that you follow me,
uh,
then he will get upset and say, hey, why are you teaching wrong things?
growth comes then. Yeah.
Yeah, teach the correct things. Teach correctly. Mm, Like Srila Prabhupada's his pranam mantra, we say, right? Nirvishesha Shunyavadi.
Hmm. Yeah,
So, you
Hmm.
know, preaching all over the world, the correct knowledge then. So you're right to say that they actually don't, these qualities in them are transformed into positive instead of the negative.
Like Prabhupada says, no, you rascal, like many times. It's like because he's upset, like, when the person is not doing what he's supposed to do, right? We feel
Yeah,
there's
Prabhupada
so
can say
many
that, we
times,
can't.
you rascal, you rascal.
Yeah, Prabhupada could say that. We can't do that. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. That's right.
Yeah,
But we can't imitate.
we can't imitate.
Yeah, we can't imitate.
हरे कृष्णा
Hare
हरे
Krishna.
कृष्णा अ, ब- अ, उन्होंने कहा है कि कृष्णा ने 3 बार रासलीला की। एक बार तो गोपियों के साथ महारास लीला हुई और ये दूसरी बार ये इस समय हुई, एक गायों के साथ हुई और एक एडल्टली गोपियों के साथ हुई, क्योंकि उनके बच्चों के रूप में कृष्णा आए ना, तो वो अपनी माँओं से बहुत प्यार कर रहे थे, तो इसको भी रासलीला में लिया उन्होंने। और गायें भी अपने बच्चों को बहुत ज्यादा प्यार कर रही थी, क्योंकि वो कृष्णा के रूप थे ना, कृष्णा बन के आए थे ना उनके बच्चे भी गायों के।
हाँ, हाँ।
तो इसको भी रासलीला में काउंट किया भाई, गायों के साथ रासलीला की और बड़ी गोपियों के साथ रासलीला की,
Ah,
यानी 3 रासलीलाएं
pain.
हुई।
Okay.
हाँ,
Okay. Very good. Thank you. और चैतन्य महाप्रभु की रास लीला पता है कौन सी है?
और
संकीर्तन मूवमेंट, हरि नाम
हाँ,
संकीर्तन।
हरि नाम संकीर्तन। अच्छा
हाँ, ये चैतन्य महाप्रभु की रास लीला है। सबको कह रहे हैं
अच्छा
आओ मेरी रास लीला में मुझे ज्वाइन करो
अच्छा अच्छा।
और एंजॉय
So
करो।
nice ना? हाँ, so nice। हाँ
तो सब हम भी पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं चैतन्य
हाँ।
महाप्रभु की
तो
रास
वो
लीला में।
टेम्पल में करते हैं ना बाद में
हाँ,
सत्संग, है ना,
चैंटिंग,
टेम्पल में
डांसिंग, हाँ,
संडे के दिन।
कीर्तन,
हाँ।
डांस करते हैं ना।
चैंटिंग,
हम्म,
डांसिंग, हरि नाम। हाँ,
हम्म।
okay.
और कितना अच्छा फील होता ना उस समय, आपने मार्क किया है
बहुत
या
अच्छा,
है
बहुत
ना,
अच्छा। हाँ,
उस
That
समय।
moment you are transported. ऐसा लगता है कि
या
आप फिर कहाँ हो।
हाँ, लगता है अब भी गोलोक वृंदावन पहुंच गए।
हाँ
The
हाँ।
feeling is very pure.
वेरी नाइस फीलिंग या।
या
हम्म
हमें भी लगता है कि राधा
हम्म
कृष्णा उधर है और सब डिवोटीज उनके लिए
हम्म
नाच रहे, गा रहे हैं।
नहीं, and like you're dancing for Krishna,
या
with Krishna. That's
या
the beauty of it. Yeah,
या
really beautiful. Like so many things we do, na? Like that we'll dance, we'll go anywhere, party. But ये तो कृष्णा के लिए made, like, करे,
हम्म।
dance करे.
और
या
फिर नारद जी को भी दिखाया लीला, कल मैंने पढ़ा उसमें भागवतम में, कि कैसे नारद ने बोला कि ऐसे कैसे कृष्णा 16,000 रानियों के साथ एट ए टाइम, तो वो हर घर में गए, कहाँ वो पूजा कर रहे हैं, कहाँ वो बच्चों को खिला रहे हैं, कहाँ, इतना अच्छा वर्णन उसका। फिर बाद में कृष्णा तो समझ गए, तो बोले नारद को, बोले तेरी बुद्धि को क्या हुआ रे, अरे नारद, क्या हुआ, क्या देखने आया है? सो नाइस।
वेरी नाइस। हम भी
यानी
पढ़ेंगे
अभी तक।
आगे। हाँ, हम भी पढ़ने वाले हैं
और
इसको।
और सुदामा का तो चैप्टर इतना अच्छा हुआ पूरा, इतना उसने अच्छा एक्सप्लेन किया सुदामा को। टू गुड। वो
हम्म,
सब हिंदी में वर्ड्स इतने अच्छे अच्छे यूज किए ना उन्होंने। और बहुत ही अच्छा सुशीला
तो
का
ये
वर्णन तो इतना अच्छा किया। हमको सबको ज्ञान दिया कि सुशीला ने कैसे, कुछ भी उसको खाने के लिए भी नहीं था, कुछ भी नहीं था, तो भी वो एक साथ थी अपने पति के साथ, सुदामा के साथ। तभी
हम्म,
उसका नाम सुशीला।
आ,
बहुत ही अच्छा वर्णन। अरे मैंने बोला
किसका
एक
नाम
दिन
सुशीला?
सुदामा की वाइफ का।
भाई, ओके ओके। तो उसने
हाँ
ही भेजा उसको ना कि जाओ।
हाँ।
right?
और वो डायरेक्ट थोड़ा ना बोल सक रही थी। वो बोल रही
हम्म।
थी मैं कैसे बोलूं, क्योंकि
right.
सुदामा को बोलने का उसको हिम्मत नहीं हो रहा था। वो बोल रही थी मैं इतनी लालची स्वार्थी कैसे हो सकती हूँ। फिर पूरा उसने कैरेक्टर बताया सुशीला का। सुशीला ने फिर एक्ट किया कि तूने अपने मित्र को बचपन से नहीं देखा है, तो अब जाके देख क्या उसको, मिल क्या। उसको ऐसे नहीं बोली कि उससे कुछ मांगना,
हम्म।
मांगने के लिए, क्योंकि उसने तो व्रत रखा था ना सुदामा ने कि मैं
हम्म।
लाइफ में कभी किसी से मांगूंगा नहीं, मांग के नहीं खाऊंगा। यानी मैं अपने ज्ञान का भी प्रचार ऐसे नहीं करूंगा, जो ये मैंने ज्ञान प्राप्त किया है तो वो मैं
हम्म।
भक्तों को कथा नहीं सुनाऊंगा। मैं
अच्छा।
अपनी भक्ति के लिए ये हम मैंने ज्ञान प्राप्त किया है। नहीं तो वो ब्राह्मण
अच्छा।
था। तो ब्राह्मण का कर्तव्य क्या होता है कि कथा करके, ये करके और अपने पेट का पालन करना, राइट। जैसे
हाँ,
वैश्य का और इनका
हाँ,
काम अपना क्या है कि व्यापार करके प्राप्त करना। तो ब्राह्मणों का तो ऐसा ही है ना कि ज्ञान वितरण करके और जो वृत्ति मिले वो वृत्ति से अपना जीवन
उससे
यापन करें।
राइट।
पर पर सुदामा ने बोला नो, ये तो मैंने अपने अपने उद्धार के लिए, अपनी आत्मा को देने के लिए ये ज्ञान प्राप्त किया है। ये प्रिंसिपल था सुदामा का, तो वो कहीं घर से निकलता ही नहीं था। तो वो बहुत अच्छा बताया वर्णन, इतना अच्छा वर्णन।
तो कैसे उसका पालन पोषण मीन्स कैसे
हाँ
इज?
वही ना, कैसे होता था। वो अचानक तो सुशीला को लोग दे जाते थे थोड़ा, भाई ब्राह्मण है तो अपन नहीं जाके, बड़ा दिन है तो ब्राह्मण को देख के आओ जाके कुछ, नहीं।
ब्राह्मण को या
हाँ,
राइट।
तो वो
राइट।
मिल गया तो मिल गया। और फिर वो जब कृष्णा के पास गया ना, उसका भी वर्णन इतना अच्छा कि कृष्णा ने बोला मेरी भाभी माँ को वंदन करना। तो सुदामा ने बोला ये मेरा मित्र इतना उदार है, मेरे पत्नी को ये वंदन कर रहा है, ये तो भगवान है, साक्षात भगवान, क्यों वो हमको वंदन करे मेरे पति। तचेइस की सुदामा, यानी कि मेरे को यशोदा मैया की याद आ गई है, क्योंकि ये मेरा चीड़ा जो है ना, मेरे को यशोदा मैया खिलाती थी वृंदावन में बचपन में। तो अभी ये मेरे को मेरी भाभी माँ ने भेजा है, तो अभी ये यशोदा मैया की मेरे को याद आ गई है, तो उसके प्यार में वो अपने वंदन कर रहा है उसको, सुशीला को यशोदा से कंपेयर किया कृष्णा ने।
हम्म।
टू गुड, बहुत अच्छा था पूरा चैप्टर। मैंने बोला किसी दिन मैं पढ़ेगी आप लोगों के सामने वो वाला चैप्टर, ये सुदामा वाला।
हाँ।
इतना सुदामा का वर्णन उसने इतना अच्छा किया है, इतना अच्छा किया है। यानी कि वो एक रस था सुदामा। जब वापस आया तो कृष्णा ने पहले उसको पीतांबर पहनाया, उसकी देखा, पैरों में से अपने दांत से कांटा निकाला। कृष्णा ने उसके पैर में जो कांटा लगा था ना,
अपने
नहीं
दांत
निकल
से।
रहा था, दांत से कृष्णा ने उसके पैरों में अपने दांत से निकाला। और रुक्मणी महारानी हैरान हो रही थी कि ये क्या कर रहा है कृष्णा। फिर उसके पैर धोया, पैर साफ किया, फिर उसको नए फटी हुई धोती निकाल के रखा, उसको नया पैर पीताम्बर पहनाया। अब इतना तो हो गया, 36 भोजन कराए, वो हो गया। लेकिन अब इसने बोला मैं अब रुकूंगा नहीं। सुदाना में बोला नहीं, अब मैं नहीं रुकूंगा। एक दिन रुका, बोला वो नहीं तो वो, मैं स्वार्थी नहीं बन सकता, ये 56 भोग के कारण और इसके ऐश्वर्य का मैं भोग नहीं करूंगा। और एकदम बोला अब मैं जाता हूँ कृष्णा वापस। तो उसके भी मनोदशा बताई पूरी कि कैसे सुदामा सोच रहा है। तो फिर सुदामा ने बोला कि मैं जा रहा हूं, तो उसने बोला ठीक है तू अब जा भली। और उसको कृष्णा ने कुछ नहीं दिया, ना रोका कि भाई जूठा मूठा में भी नहीं बोला कि हाँ तू रुक जा। बोले हाँ ठीक है तू जा, सुशीला तेरा इंतजार करती होंगी। तो उसको पुरानी धोती पहनाया,
तो
अपना पीताम्बर उतार लिया
वो
नया
वापस
वाला,
वो, अच्छा।
उसको वापस उसकी फटी हुई धोती पहनाया। तभी भी सुदामा ने कुछ नहीं सोचा। सोचो
हम्म।
कि मेरी पुरानी धोती पहनाया, उसमें भी वो राजी था। फिर उसमें भी वो पैदल अपने घर चले गया, उसको कुछ नहीं बोला, किस कुछ नहीं। लेकिन ये जैसे ही सुदामा अपने नगरी में पहुंचा तो उसने बोला अरे मैं उल्टा आ गया क्या। अरे ये तो सुदामा ही, उसकी नगरी को सेम उसने द्वारका के समान बनाया कृष्णा ने।
हम्म।
जैसे उसका महल था ना, सेम सुदामा का महल।
हम्म।
यानी दो दो नगरियां हैं द्वारका,
राइट।
सुदामा की नगरी भी। तो उसने बोला अरे वापस लौटने लगा सुदामा। बोला मैं पागल, मैंने अपने भक्ति में मैं फिर से उल्टा आ गया, फिर से द्वारका में वापस। तो फिर उसने देखा कि सुशीला दरवाजे पर बैठी है महल के। बोली स्वामी स्वामी बुलाया, देखो तेरे कृष्णा ने कितना अच्छा कर दिया हमारा घर, देखो ये कृष्णा ने मेरे कपड़े कैसे देखो आपके कृष्णा ने। तो वो हैरान हो गया सुदामा। और अभी भी उसको संभाव था वो, बिल्कुल
हम्म।
उसकी दशा इतनी अच्छी दिखाया सुदामा की। बहुत अच्छी दिखाया।
हम्म।
हाँ।
और वो कच्चा चावल भी राइट थोड़ा खाया।
हाँ कच्चा कच्चा चावल खाया ना, तब तभी तो
या
उसने बोला ना मेरे को यशोदा मैया की याद आ गई ये चावल खा के। तो
या
ये भी सुशीला भाभी भी मेरी यशोदा मैया ही के समान है, मेरे को कच्चे चावल भेजा ये, और मैंने उसका स्वाद लिया।
राइट।
बहुत अच्छा। हरे कृष्णा।
थैंक यू आंटी।
नहीं नहीं नहीं
बहुत
नहीं,
सुंदर तरीके से आपने।
बहुत बहुत सुंदर, इतना अच्छा है ये भागवतम।
थैंक
हम्म,
यू। थैंक यू ऑल। श्रीमद् भागवतम की
तम
जय।
की
श्रील
जय।
प्रभुपाद की जय। गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। हरे कृष्णा।